Okay, my dear students, let us solve this problem in a just simple shortcut method. So this is a problem from atoms. He's asking us to find out the maximum wavelength for bracket series. So how are you going to find out the maximum wavelength for bracket series for hydrogen spectrum? This is going to be the shortcut formula which I have written here. By using this shortcut formula and substituting the value of n equal to 4 here, okay. If you substitute the value of n equal to 4 for bracket series, then you will getting an equation like this here, which you can substitute and get the answer in a simple shortcut way. So what are you going to write now? Let us see here. So for that, you just do one thing here. You can substitute the value of n equal to 4 and write here directly. Then if you substitute the values, you'll be getting 400 divided by 9 into 1.097 into 10 power minus 7 here. So after calculating this, you'll be getting the value as 40519 Armstrongs. That's it. So directly in a simple shortcut formula, that is n equal to n plus 1 whole square divided by 2n plus 1 can be used to find out any maximum wavelength of any series. Thank you very much.